Here's what's coming up in part 3 of my Myrtle Beach vlog. We're searching for dolphins on this tour. And then in my final Myrtle Beach video.
We've heard so much about Paula Dean's, so we got to check it out for ourselves. Due to the fog, they have turned us around, so we will see what is next.
This is awesome! The beach is definitely looking fun today, but we do have other plans. I can't tell if these guys are just really hungry or if they're playing. Perhaps angry. Maybe they're hangry. Give them a Snickers. They're not them until they have a Snickers, right?
All right. Good morning, everyone. Welcome aboard the Sea Screamer. Oh, yeah. Do we have anyone on here that's looking forward to seeing some dolphins today?
That looks like the SS Minnow from Gilligan's Island. And of course, if you're born after, let's say, 1995, you have no idea what I'm talking about. We're on a boat called the Sea Screamer, and it's a dolphin tour, which is in North Myrtle Beach, and it's about, if I recall, like it's about 40-minute drive or so from downtown Myrtle Beach. What I was reading online is the best time to see the dolphins is in the morning or in the evening, so we decided to go with the earliest tour in the morning.
He was just saying that over here is North Carolina on this side, and over here, that's South Carolina. We are right on the border of the two Carolinas.
We are cruising out to the dolphin grounds. Hopefully they are all just swimming and waiting for us. I'll put a link of the Sea Screamer business in this video, so if you plan on coming out to Myrtle Beach, you can check it out. It's a race to see who can find the dolphins first. That's another dolphin boat tour out there. Our captain just mentioned that he saw a dolphin fin on the left side of the boat here. We are all patiently waiting. I should have brought a bucket of tuna just to help these guys come out and closer to the boat maybe. I'm not seeing anything yet. Got to be patient when fishing. Not that we're looking to reel one in, but you know what I mean. If you're a part of PETA, no, we are not fishing for dolphins. The co-captain is using her binoculars and she thinks she saw some activity, so we are headed that direction right now. I don't see anything. If you see something in YouTube land, comment below and tell me where, because I'm not seeing it. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. I think the dolphins are playing with us today.
Alright, I believe they just came up out in front of us. Like I said, guys, you gotta have your head on a swivel out here because these things, they swim around in circles.
I see her!
I saw that they were over here on the right side.
Where are they?
It's just their fin coming out.
I don't know. I don't see anything. I don't think there's any dolphins over here. I think we've got two tour boats of very confused passengers and the captains are having a good time. I don't see any dolphins. Heck, at this point, I'll even take a goldfish.
These dolphins are not cooperating. They are only showing their back fin really quick, then in they go. They're playing with us. They are just not cooperating. I was thinking for fun, I should start yelling, there's one, there's one. It's a good time. Yeah, the dolphins were playing with us today, but definitely worth it. So this was our second trip on this because yesterday we got fogged out. So, but they do suggest the morning tours for dolphin activity.
Not too far from the Sea Screamer is another shopping area. This one is called Barefoot Landing. It is a little bit smaller than Broadway at the beach, but still looks pretty neat, so we thought we'd stop in and check it out.
Let's go get tickled.
See if they got the next door.
Alright, Dad. This is just a clothes store.
Listen to the kids in here. This is just a clothing store. Tiki Gems. Gifts that will tickle you. And I did not get tickled in there. Ooh, that's scary. There we go. We don't need that. Let's check out more of this place. It opens up here and it's really kind of a nice shopping area.
You guys saw the purple mattress here? No. This is definitely my first time in a purple store, and it's definitely purple. If you are looking for purple products, this is the place to come. If it's purple, they'll have it. Except the purple mattress. And I'm not saying Barney the dinosaur. What would this business do if the National Color Foundation discontinued the color purple? Yeah, they'd be in trouble, huh? And you're scratching your head right now thinking, there's a National Color Foundation? No, I'm kidding. This place is definitely a lot smaller than Broadway at the beach, but it's got a very different vibe to it. So we're just going to take a quick walk through, check out what it has to offer, and I'll put a link of Barefoot Landing in the video below so you can check it out.
They have a bar back there, and you sit on swings. You can kind of see them hanging from the ceiling in there.
We've got a pond here full of life. A couple of fish, some turtles. Look at this guy sticking his head up. Just getting a little suntan for today. Got a few more turtles here, just relaxing, hanging out. Look at these guys, not a care in the world. You're just all hanging out, having a good time here at Barefoot Landing. That fish is huge, though. And basically, the parents can hang out here, have a cocktail, and basically play adult style while their kids are playing over there.
Something I just noticed in the pavement here is they have like these seashells. And they're just all kind of embedded in the cement. We've seen everything we need to see here. It's much smaller than the Broadway beach, but you know what? if you want to get some shopping in, some unique shopping, and you've got young kids, there's a lot here to entertain them. This would be a good place to come.
What the heck is all of that stuff?
So I'm leaving North Myrtle Beach. We're headed back to Myrtle Beach, and something that just grabbed my attention was all these figurines here. I'll show you in a second a better view of them. This is called the Country Living Amish Store. Again, it's in North Myrtle Beach, and they have so many things out here, but there's something else I got to show you that's right over here. But hang on a second, check this stuff out. I don't know, it just grabbed my attention and just seems so kitschy, you know. It's definitely some tourist stuff. If you find yourself in North Myrtle Beach and you're into this kind of stuff, this is the place right here, the Country Living Amish House. Now, this is what really grabbed my attention right behind me over here. Check out that billboard. I wonder if they sell handcuffs now after him being indicted and, what was it, 34 different accounts? This past Tuesday. I'm on vacation, so I'm not following too much of the press right now, but that's what they showed there. So this is crazy. They got all kinds of Trump stuff. I'll just show you one of the big Trump blow-up balloons that you see at like car washes and car dealers. They got one Trump style. Okay, I know you might be curious. Everyone's curious whether you hate President Trump or you loved him. I'm not going to get in the middle of that, but I think everyone's just curious what a Trump warehouse looks like. So we'll take a quick walk through here, and then it's your choice if you want to scream here at YouTube and yell at me or say awesome Trump, your choice.
You know, some former presidents have presidential libraries. Trump has a presidential museum.
Here we go. Everything Trump oriented in here. Shouldn't this be red? The tie, the famous red tie.
This is quite unbelievable here. I've never seen so much memorabilia for a former president in one place.
Oh, look at this. Instead of Zoltar, Trumptar.
There has to be more Trump stuff in here than in Mar-a-Lago.
Oh my. Yes, I know. Some people watching this right now are feeling very sick. Don't turn this off. I'm going to move out of the store in a minute. And others are just cheering this on, so let's not do the likes or the dislikes. We're nasty comments. I'm an equal opportunity travel channel. Well, there you go. The Trump Superstore, as the billboard says, and I can't say I've ever seen more presidential stuff of any current or former president ever. Really don't want to get political on it, but I just wanted to show it to you just because you don't see this every day. We're moving on. It's pretty neat. So they got like a holding pattern here. As soon as one goes, another one lands. Here's another one over here behind me. There's even another one back there coming in too. So they really keep the crowd moving. So we're gonna go get picked up here and we'll do the green. They had the basic one for 20 bucks and it was like a 2-minute, if that. You just go to the beach and back and we're basically at the beach. So for double the price, you get basically about a 5-minute ride now. They get you in here with the $20 thing. You know you're going to get upsold, so I'll let you know if it's worth it or not. Well, you're coming with. Keep watching. We're going to go up in the sky and over Myrtle Beach. right, we've been called and told to get in line. Get in the queue here as we get ready to ride in the helicopter over Myrtle Beach. This will be fun. That was fun. Good time. So we did a little over 100 miles an hour and got up to about 1,200 feet. And they have all kinds of different price structures here. I think this is the only helicopter company in Myrtle Beach. It's right at the Myrtle Beach airport. So if you plan on heading out here, they start at $20. That gives you about a 2-mile round trip, which is roughly 2 minutes. Ours was 7 to 8 miles, and that was double the price per person. So I would definitely say it's worth it. Good time. Kind of get a better view in the daytime of the how they remodeled the pier, and they put in this this like plastic composite type decking with different colored boards. And that is where the very famous pavilion used to be. Had a roller coaster. Now it's volleyball nets, and across the way, zip lining in a big open field. It's still one of my favorite noises, just the crash of the ocean waves. One thing we've noticed is there's one black gondola and the rest are white, and the black gondola has a glass bottom to it. My guess is they charge a little bit more for their VIP gondola, but it's like a glass floor. You can see it at the very top right now. That's where we're headed right there. Pier 14. It's like a shark head guy up there.
It's a little cooler in here. Excuse me. In the middle of summer, you can definitely cool off from the hot summer sun and come in the gift area.
Dad, where's the sand?
Ah, there's that sound again with the ocean waves crashing. I love that sound. And just so you know, when you come to Myrtle Beach, if you go on any of the piers, there is a small charge. This one was only $1 a person.
I like the propeller. Nice nautical touch. They say the pier extends 600 feet out.
And that gives you plenty of dancing room, since they provide the music. What a beautiful spot for a selfie. This is absolutely gorgeous out here.
661 miles from New York. 701 miles from Miami. I guess I've not thought about it, but I would have guessed off the top of my head, thought we'd be a little closer to Miami than New York.
At the end of the pier, it looks like they're relaxing and chilling, and I think they're doing some fishing.
The sun is slowly going down. Myrtle Beach is definitely a sunrise area, with the sun coming up over the ocean. When it sets, it's just on the other side and goes behind the buildings. There's also a restaurant here, just down there at the beginning of the pier.
Either that fish is really hungry, or he just keeps catching the same size.
So far he's caught 3 fish about that size. I'm assuming the fish do get bigger the further out you go. Pier was fun to check out. Now the restaurant here, we didn't do the Pier 14 restaurant, but it smells really, really good. Moving away from Myrtle Beach and the Ferris wheel going the other direction, the boardwalk gets a little smaller, but still is a very nice boardwalk. More of a natural feeling around here now, instead of the stores and all the other man-made things where it's wider behind me. And I'm going to stop the video right there because we did so much on this trip, I need to create a 4th video. So in my final Myrtle Beach video coming up, we'll check out a ride on the Ferris wheel at dusk, have fun doing miniature golf, and we'll check out Paula Deen's restaurant. It's all coming up in my final Myrtle Beach video. You'll see me on the next one.
Subscribe now